Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Ford Fusion Hybrid. First, open your trunk and locate the 12-volt battery, which is typically on the passenger side. Take your red positive jumper cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your hybrid's battery. Next, connect the black negative jumper cable to a clean, unpainted metal surface on your car's chassis, away from the battery itself. This creates a good ground connection. Now move to the donor vehicle. Attach the other end of the red, positive jumper cable to the positive terminal of the donor car's battery. Then, connect the remaining end of the black, negative jumper cable to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Double-check that all 4 connections are secure and that the cables are not touching any moving engine parts in either vehicle. Safety is key during this process. With all connections made, start the engine of the donor vehicle. Let it run for about 5 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your hybrid's battery. After this brief charging period, turn the key or press the start button in your Ford Fusion Hybrid. Once your hybrid starts, carefully remove the jumper cables in the exact reverse order of how you connected them, starting with the negative cables. Remember, always refer to your Ford Fusion Hybrid's owner's manual for the most accurate and specific jump-starting instructions for your model. Never try to jump-start a battery that appears frozen, cracked, or is leaking, as this can be extremely dangerous. If your car doesn't start after a few attempts, there might be a larger issue. Also, for a fresh scent in your car, check the description below for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.